All right, guys. So welcome to our live analysis session. Let's go over and have a look at what we've got going on. So looking at what we have here with the US 30, the dollar index here, let's take a look at what we see. So let's take, now I'm hearing myself back. Hold on 1 second. Let me just go off and take this off. So looking at what we've got going on here, guys, the dollar index has gained strength, which is what I was expecting kind of like today/tomorrow. Let me just quickly go over to what we've got going on. Right now, at the moment, we've seen that the dollar index is pushing up pretty strongly. And where it is right now is, again, the analysis I had was for this point right here. Now, if I push this over here and we take a look at what we've got over here, the price is on top of this validation point. Okay, for those of you who are ICT people, this will be your FVG. All right. Now, the price has been balancing on here and is actually closing above the supply zone. Now, I'm not done with the price yet because we still may actually get a sell-off for a bit because I do expect one to happen. The high of the previous week is, if I go to the H4, is here. So we might actually get a situation where the price guns for the equal highs, these highs, and then attempts to come down to these equal lows over here. So I'm not throwing away the idea of price pushing up, that we see what the price does, moving forward from. So the dollar index being taking these highs right here, and it's just go to their 3 pips apart here. This is relative equal lows. It's not exactly equal lows because they're not the same price, but they're good enough for us to see the price targeting down here, maybe back to this area of demand. All right. So having that in mind, okay, sorry guys, it's the net connection goal, but we've had this take place to see. It's a funny day today because the signal is a bit bad. So if the internet goes a bit funny, apologies for that, people. But we have this high right here. All right. We have a break of market structure too. I just want to see how the dollar index is going to behave though, because if it is going to continue gaining strength, then gold is on its way down and is actually going to fill this gap now. Else, we're going to have a situation where gold is actually going to push long one more time and maybe push a little bit higher. But I really just want to see how the dollar index deals with this high right now, because it's really coming close to it. If it breaks past this high without giving us any reversal signature, then we should be looking for the price to continue long. And if it is going to continue long, then in the early days when we're looking at gold, if you can remember this, before the price reversed here and gave us this short, one of the things that gold, the dollar index, did do is it left a liquidity gap right here on Thursday's market open all the way back in June. On the Thursday, the market left a liquidity gap in this range right here. And for me to find this for you guys, I can do it. I'll go down to the 15-minute, but I'm going to have to drag my charts back pretty far and pretty quick, but I can do this. If I just go back far enough, you will see what it looks like. Here it is. So it was the week starting the 8th of June. So this is the day of the 8th of June. We have this new market open gap here between 676 and 704. This gap is yet to be filled, and there's another one near the high of the 7th. So if the dollar index is going to continue going long, it should be breaking past these areas towards 104. All right. If it's not going to close above this weekly high, there isn't really much else the price would have to stop it from going further higher. So, or to further highs. All right. So really right now, I wouldn't say to take a trade just yet, but just be ready and waiting to see what the market is going to offer us, because it could go either way. Either the price is going to take the high and give us a reaction short, or we're going to have a H4 close. Me, the UK time, according to UK time, I can for